Hello. Looking for 1 month Tesla stock prediction? Well, then this video is not for you. Today, we are going to cover 4 things that mainstream media don't stress the importance of in Tesla. I'm trying to bring some insights into the company that get overlooked, that can be added to your thesis when investing in the stock, and also works if you're just curious too. Manufacturing on a large scale is difficult, and the faster you make things, the harder it gets exponentially. With engineering experience in fast-paced manufacturing industry, I can truly testify to this. Any small issue happening in the beginning of the process can possibly go unnoticed until further down the production process. Therefore, starting with supply chain, parts from contracting companies, materials, etc., all has to be perfect to specification. And remember, we're all human. Everybody makes mistakes. But okay, companies are making cars for over 100 years now, and we know it all already. We can look at the past and learn from their problems. Well, not exactly. EVs are not a new technology. They've been around for a while, but they've never been mass-produced on this scale.
Prototypes are easy. Production is hard.
You can't call your buddy from Toyota or BMW and ask how they solve a particular engineering problem. There is no book you can read. The challenges and issues are new and unique, as you are pushing the boundaries of what has never been done before. And on top of that, you have to solve all these issues in a cost-effective way under pressure from customers, ending up making a profit, and have a decent car at the end of it all. And if you're a legacy automaker, you have to do all of this while letting go of old staff, hiring new ones, building new supply chains, production lines, fighting with dealerships price gouging, etc. What could go wrong? Tesla full self-driving future implications for rideshare industry and more. Tesla full self-driving, making bad decisions, wrong turns, phantom braking. Elon promised 2 years ago, and here we are, it's still not solved. All the things I said is true, and on top of that it's $15,000 now. But there is another side to this. Tesla is not solving driving in one or couple of geo-fenced areas where other companies can say we have done it in a particular area, and it's right in their own way. But looking at the bigger picture, how long will it take them to scale this worldwide? LiDAR mapping the whole planet and updating on an ongoing basis to keep up with the changes? How many places can you look up on Google Earth in their Street View and it's 8 years old and many things have changed completely? The issue here is massive scale. It's a huge undertaking. And how do you keep up with this change? Tesla's approach is general, and once they solve it, it will apply to most places around the world. I've made another video about Tesla full self-driving differences, comparing with other companies. Check out card in the corner. The point being made is when this is solved across most of the world at once, and suddenly you get an over-the-air update, and in a press of a button, your car is a robotaxi, making you money while you're busy at work, and Tesla taking a percentage cut of the profit from everybody while getting paid $15,000 and even more in the future per car for the software. Or they decide to roll out their own robotaxi fleet and start making millions of cheap EVs with the sole purpose of being a robotaxi. No steering wheel, no pedals, basic car with a screen for entertainment. That's a big money maker right there. Or simply put, they just license their software to other companies and take profits for the software. No mapping the whole planet with LiDAR, no updating streets after every roadworks. System just keeps learning and getting better and better over time. Then again, let's not get ahead of ourselves. We are not there yet. There are still issues and work to be done. But look at AI projects in any other field. The progress is exponential. Tesla bot. I'm not going to go crazy on Tesla bot just yet. September 30th is the day we find out more. But in theory, if they can solve full self-driving, they will eventually solve the bot and how it interacts with the world. The hardware of the machine is not the main barrier here. Boston Dynamics are doing a great job there. But these are pre-programmed. The key is AI software that will power the actions of the robot. What are the implications? How about unlimited economy size as the robots take on more jobs? Problems with job loss? For the next few years, for sure not. We are short-staffed if anything. If this will be done right, it could be of great benefit to us, but could also be the end. Keep your eyes open for this one. I will cover September 30th events and we will see where we go from there. Tesla Energy. Tesla's competition is coming. GM, Ford, Rivian, Lucid. So many new companies entering the market. Yes, they're also making some electric cars, but they are no competition. Tesla is on a different scale. Wait, this is a Tesla Energy section? Why are we talking cars again?
Huh?
Because you have been told that's the competition. Let's look at this from a different angle. Tesla disrupting energy sector. Let's look at a company that no one talks about, Saudi Aramco. They make almost 50 billion profit in one quarter. That's 400 million per day profit. Let that sink in. No wonder gas is so expensive. And that's not including other oil and energy companies. If you donate your day's work to mainstream media, guess how 400 million would affect on how they report things? No accusation here, but come on, 400 million set for life. Guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoy, hit like and subscribe. It helps YouTube promote this content. I want to provide value to as many as I can, so this helps a lot. Any thoughts or feedback would be much appreciated in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.